morning, guys. Hey, today we're going to talk about something that you've actually already learned from the first bend of this unit. Today I want to teach you how readers use their table of contents to help them research through a specific lens, and they also think about the organization of the notes that they're taking. So, we are already in the second bend of this unit, which means we're no longer researching China altogether. We're researching a second country, just like you're doing on your own in your research. The second country that we're researching together is Brazil. So I'm looking at the table of contents of this book about Brazil. And I need to think about the lens that I want to research through. So just like in the first bend, when we were reading about China, we researched through the lens of geography. When I'm researching Brazil, I'm going to choose to research through the lens of education. So as I look at this table of contents, I'm looking for any chapters that relate to education. And I see right here, chapter 3 is called Going to School. So I'm going to go ahead and turn to page 11 here. Obviously, as I read about going to school in Brazil, I'm going to learn about the education there. Now, another thing that I want you guys to focus on, like I mentioned from the beginning, was the organization of your notes that you're taking as a researcher, as an expert. So as I read, I'm thinking, how do I want to set up the notes to show all that I'm learning about education in Brazil? So you want to think back to the lesson that Mrs. Mitchell taught you guys and reminded you about all the text structures, comparing and contrasting, boxes and bullets for main idea and details, cause and effect, problem and solution. So as you can see within my notebook here, I have set up boxes and bullets. So I'm going to research through the lens of education, trying to learn as much as I can about school in Brazil. Today I want you to try this within your notes. Use the table of contents, choose a lens that you want to research through, and then think really carefully about the text structure that you want to use as you take notes,